stay focused on revenge for your father's death.
Armand's lust to avenge the death of his father was eclipsed by his love for me. In a hopeless world, sometimes the smallest light shines the brightest.
Antonio. Open the door for Milady.
The Siberian definition of a blood diamond is where 30 souls suicide themselves in 30 seconds for it. A steep price to pay, but in this part of the world, it's an even trade.
Last time, Musa sent Armand. This time, I guess we got a very, very beautiful young lady. Yeah.
I like your sense of humor, Mr. Mike.
I just hope you brought the money we all agreed on, right?
I may be beautiful, but I'm all business. Now then, the diamond.
Hey, bitch, let's see the money.
I hope it's 30 million. Exactly. Right.
Oh, gentlemen. After all this time, you still don't trust us? It's 30 million. And how do I know that the stone is real? Let me see it.
Is this your first transaction? Nothing we do is fake. This is real. Look at it.
You see, when you're dealing with us, everything you see is real.
When laughing hyenas come out to play, all bets are off. Our particular breed of hyena eat their own kind. What you call a massacre, we call a fun day at the zoo.
He wants to blow you. Hey, Baldy, want to give me a blowjob? Is that it? Suck this!
The best business is always clean business. Right?
Your place, Musa.
You're a whore. Get what you came for? Lucy's gonna love the way you look with a bullet in your head. Now Moose will have to update your portrait.
When the devil collects, he sends your friend or your relative. A chilling reminder not to be late on the rent. But not to Musa. Blood made no impression.
This one here.
In fact, no one could discern what he was thinking. And here, nothing was ever what it seemed. Nothing was what it seemed.
But, boss, I had no idea what was going down.
Hey, boss, there's a guy from Hazard here.
Baby.
I figured it was Khazar's guys who grabbed the briefcase, realized whose money it was, and then sent this fool to give it back. Am I right? Hey, so where's the stone, pal? You got it in your mouth? Is that why you can't talk?
Khazar sent me to find out what's going on with the territorial lines. You violated the divisions.
It's his conditions that don't suit me. You know, what's mine's mine. It's my territory. No one comes in here and changes the rules. Okay?
Fine then, forget it. They're just made-up borders.
Well, the ways of God are inscrutable.
Huh?
I remember.
Boss, it was luck. Somebody had to tell you who stole the goods. Please. I was watching your back for you.
Focus on this.
When the Soviet Union crashed in '91, Musa was a general. So when the rich were running from the wreckage, outbidding each other to police the rest of Mother Russia, Musa split with his own private army.
You better watch your tongue, boy. Guess you're gonna need it.
I'm not your damn boy! You son of a bitch! You shot me!
You're killing the music. You're killing the music. Why do you do that?
Have you ever used a gun before?
You shoot a moron?
Boss,
He's a fucking errand boy for Khazar.
I'm sorry, it was an accident.
Stupid son
Why do you
of
give
a
me these
bitch!
problems? It's always the same shit with you.
I swear.
If you're nuts, you bastard!
Shut the fuck up, all right, and go home. I deal with my people myself.
How the hell am I supposed to get home?
Hey,
You fucking shot me!
don't make me regret he didn't kill you, okay? He only wounded you. And why the fuck didn't you kill him? Why you wound him like that? You changed your mind. You know, you confused the shit out of me. One day you say you want to kill people, next day you want to save people, next day you want to hurt
The prestige of every magic trick is to have your audience look one way, while the trick within the trick happens exactly where they're not looking. The art of distraction, misdirection. This clown in the paisley shirt was the distraction. The fear you see in his eyes was never real. None of it was. And Musa never.
Is there anything as interesting out here as what you saw in the shower? Don't do this.
You better stop kidding yourself right now. Why are you pushing me away? Who the hell do you think you are? Wow. Brilliant. You learn quick. You don't think I know where you're going with this? All that money. It's already in your car. You got a problem with that? We got a chance to split and get the hell out of here.
No way.
No, don't tell me no way. You're in a world of precision, the end game. And you pissed away your targets for a panic attack?
You screwed up. You let a major mark walk away. And all morning I'm looking for you? Where the hell were you?
How'd you find me?
I can't explain now. I'm leaving, but I'll come back for you.
So you don't remember anything? Don't worry, you will. It'll come to you.
Okay, willing to leave you. We'll go, but understand we can never come back. Thanks for helping me with everything. I'll be back very soon.
For helping you with everything, huh?
Put these on.
I sent you a message. You brain dead? What the hell happened to the girl?
I don't know. She jumped in your car and split. She left in a hurry, didn't even say anything.
The end justifies the means. I did what I had to do. We had a raging pack of wolves clawing and itching their way after us now. And we didn't care. All we had was the two of us. And that's all you need sometimes.
You lost my money. The diamond and the girl. And now, you've lost something that belonged to you.
The most deadly traitor Siberia's ever known. The mighty Khazar.